So tell me something now. You see, after the Gaza clan come for your bumbo clot in a Broward County, Dade County, any pussy clot county in a Florida. After the, cause me I make sure say me send everything to the right person. You think that Donald Musk and Elon Trump can help you? Yes, I said it. Donald Musk and Elon Trump. You think they can blood? You worship them two white people there. You think Donald Musk and Elon Trump can help you? Hey, may God have mercy on your bumbleclot soul. I'm going to pump out all of the video them on Vibes Cartel to everybody in Brown, including Scatterburrell. My boy, I'm a boy that. I make them say what you did I say about the world boss publicly, like you know the world boss personally. Me know the world boss personally. Oh boy, your goose is cooked. What me say? Your duck roast. What me say? Your goose cook. And I guess what? A cock mouth kill cock, you know. And nothing else kill cock, you know. Cock mouth kill cock. And me never did I pray for that day, you know, but guess what? The interesting turn of events by the universe and by the real God, the real knowing of all, God. So God flip the script on your bumbo clod. That's why you could stop the lie. Come call the man rare.
You see, you talk about Spurline there and then you stop call up the man name now. I be a jungle so try bring down now. But I love is to die face to face now. Straight up, man. Stop to call up the man name, man. I'm vex, man. Trade every know now.
Also, pussy. Stop call up the man name. The man alive and well. Get your fucking information right. You dirty dark shit. Stop spread propaganda from my father name. Pussy wall.
Batty boy. Crutches. Stop look views. Why you stop look views off a Spurline name? Pussy. Pussy.
View that. View that. That you put on YouTube. Put this recording on YouTube. You nastiness.
Drunkro. Dog shit. Spurline still alive. Go tell YouTube that. And go get some money off of that pussy. You want a man licking on your blood clot face. Pussy wall. Stop call up Spurline name. Stop call up Spurline name. Pussy wall.
Yeah, so you know that's just two voice messages that people had called and left at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you know, threatening my life as if they think that they can't scare me. As I said before and I'll say again, I'm not afraid of anyone. Whether you know you're affiliated with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization or any other or the GLP. One thing I can say for sure, that all the years that I've been doing videos, I have never received a death threat from a member of the, who claim to be a member of the Jamaica Labour Party. Like, you know, someone who can identify themselves and you can hear the passion. It's always people from the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And these people feel that they're talking to someone who is scared of them. I can say, and I can say publicly or privately, throughout my entire career as a police officer, it's maybe two people that, you know, ever shoot at me and still around. One of them, he escaped from remand center. I don't remember his first name, but his last name is Douglas. Yes, he was one of the men who escaped from the remand center in 1997. Linward Edwards Party Police was one of the police officers that came that Friday night when the tangling between myself and two gunmen of South Anderson Crescent Friday night. The two police officers that were there with me, when, you know, one of them, he passed away, a partner. He was all the way at the bottom of Espute Avenue No, it's Espute. I think it's Espute Avenue. One of those avenues off Fulton Park. Well, that's years ago, almost 30 years ago. And he had received, and what he did, he tricked the police. He did not. I wasn't one of the persons who took up this man to take him to the hospital. What he did is he found dead and they police them from special anti-crime. And when he reached KPH and that, he jumped up and said that he wasn't dead. He had like 9 gunshot wounds all over his body. You understand? I say again, I'm not afraid of anyone. So you heard this man, I don't even know Scatterbarrel and all these people. But then you can look right there. So it's a true story. This is about my life. About ex-police officer. We were cadets together. He's from Cockburn Pen. Throughout my life as a police officer, as a detective, I have never been scared of anyone. And to this day, I'm still not afraid. I'm not afraid of anyone. Everything that I have spoken on the Jamaica Young Police channel is the truth. And nothing but the truth. Real mama papa truth. The first man that you have heard on the video, I made a report to the FBI about his death threats. I know that the last time when I spoke to the FBI, they said that he was out of the country. The number that he had is no longer working. They said that his father was a police called Licky Wicked in Manchester. But these people are hardcore PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporter, activists and voters. So moving on to today's video. I want you to listen to this video to the end. And you will see how corruption works. I am not the kind of I am not bragging or boasting, but it is not so easy. It's not so easy for people to kill me. The reason being is that sometimes even people who are very close to me, who I think are close to me, over time, there's always something that reveals about them that I know that I must be skeptical of. Although I am from the belly of the beast, I don't keep friends, Period. When I say friends, there's no one that can point and say, boy, Porter are my best friend. The last person I thought was my best friend was a guy named Esther Nelson. This is a guy who used to be, he was with General Starkey daughter, who was a police officer. And we have been through some things, and I live to hear that same man say that I must die. I should be killed. You understand what I'm saying? Not threat, but he would like to see me dead. A man who I thought I was my friend. So people always reveal themselves. And I have done a video recently, and even people that I thought were my friend reveal themselves. But guess what? They cannot. They know that they can't call me. Because what they gonna call me and say? So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
I know a place. I'll take you there.
Elegance, the Jamaica Pegasus Ballroom Experience, Sunday, July 19, 2026. Featuring Crazy Chris, Master Ron, Wells and Irie, DJ VJ Snow. Every song is a video. Classic souls of the 70s, 80s, and 90s.
See me now.
A momentous occasion where fashion meets style. The best dressed couple and the best dressed dancer will receive $1,000 US respectively. Isn't that nice? Hors d'oeuvres and wine will be served. Admission $10,000. VIP experience $15,000. The experience begins at 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Part proceeds to the JCF Convalescence Home in St. Elizabeth. This one is gonna be different. I'll definitely be there.
Ballroom. Pegasus Ballroom is the biggest ballroom in Kingston, and it's the most famous ballroom. And this is why we choose it. And this is where people dress to impress. So we call it elegance. So I'm asking people to come out on that night looking the part. I'm Mr. Dressy.
No, for being a debonair,
yes.
So nothing less is expected. And tell us about a prize that's expected for best dressed.
The best dress will get $1,000 US. And there's going to be a dance-off 1,000 US for that too. And guess who will be the dancer?
Oh my God, who?
None other than the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Plus, the dancing superintendent.
Eddie.
Yes.
Okay,
Mr. Edwards.
Mr. Edwards, yes. I'm just so excited about everything.
Them help them well whichever way we can. I can't forget one of my good friend, a guy that worked very hard in the Jamaica Conservative Force. He was there, I think he died from there to left young. But Sergeant, one of the greatest police passed through Jamaica.
What's it? No, repeat his name.
Young, when first I don't remember his first name.
Who you thought? Delroy Young when you said eradication?
No, man, Delroy Young, yeah man, Delroy Young.
Yeah man, oh the bad, yeah man.
Police, when I put them on there, way up. We hear me put them up.
Yeah man, that's true man. That's how Delroy Young and mother go on I sell with the hot step of them and them shot him and them liquor trade. Remember them time in the 80s man.
Yeah man, dangerous man. Man, you see the man steal a wall over jungle one day with the man. I'm not saying, how him do it?
Yeah man, Delroy.
What the old? What man going on like a cat?
That's true man. And him did that unspace shot, him did that unspace for a while, you know. Yeah man, quiet and them thing, but unassuming. But them, you know.
Yeah man, just go on.
So this event have a benefit the police them or the
yeah man, as much as I can give them, I'm going to give. If it is well supported, I want to give them at least $1 million towards it. And because this event is going to be a series. So every time we do it, something go to them.
True.
Yeah.
Well, you know who I best candidate for that and thing, Evan Blake, because when two-time Blake gets shot, when he gets shot the last time, and then nursing back to health down at St. Elizabeth, you know.
Okay.
You understand?
You see, I'm always saying it, it happened like this up Portland. Listen to me. A lot of people get gunshot and died.
That's true, man.
So died, them bury. But the ones who get shot and live, the trauma that them go through for the rest of their life, you would even understand. But talk from my perspective. And everybody experience don't understand. And M16 ripped through my body. I'm still survive. So I know I'm special. God have me. Some purpose man.
Well, I
have to fulfill it.
At the same thing like Blake at M16 and a police shoot into close range, you know.
Nah, tell them I'm a close range man. Close range man. I never know I could fly. M16 fly, bro. Fly. Watch cowboys in America, boy.
Yeah, man.
And you see that happen. I thought I never knew that it was real. A real thing, man.
So this promotion is really to benefit the police them and
benefit them and let most of the people who want to wear them pretty dress, how long them have them down the closet and put them on.
Yes.
Put on them pretty dress and can go dance and free spirited. I tell you, the superintendent Edwards, one of the best dancers in the force.
Yes man, party police we call him, Limerick Edwards.
Yes man, party police. They have a challenge now, Assistant Commissioner Philip Speck. Tell him that this $1,000 US is his. And he must win it because he must give it back to the people down at St. Elizabeth. At the convalescence home, so he must win it. So that night is going to be a night
of fun, yes man. And
yeah man, of fun man.
So where people can purchase the tickets then?
Purchase ticket.
Yes.
Give me the rest of information.
The website.
Soon and that we're going to it's Caribtic. It's going to be Caribtic, but I'll tell you further on it that you can put it up on your thing.
Alright. And what we do is ask the other Now what we do is ask the other ex-police them on YouTube to promote it because this is for us because without the police force and the experience we wouldn't have it, you know. Like police force groom all of us who are on YouTube now. You understand?
I'm gonna tell you this. Jamaica Constable Force
I don't know if it is. It still is, but I suppose so. It is the greatest university on earth.
That is so true.
In that time, it was. But it is getting that kind of bashing nowadays that I'm not sure what to think. Because I don't know if the people that are bashing is really talking the truth. But some of the things that they are saying, I hope it's not like that.
Most of the things that them are saying, it's because of the anti-police rhetoric, you understand? And it's taking seed within the people's consciousness, because you have to understand, remember, as we tell people all the time, if it wasn't for men like you, even us was young police wouldn't have it that easy on the street, because in your time, and Douglas Guthrie and Tom Levine them time, it was more dangerous as police even, you understand, because them time there, gunmen were them a walk past all the police station with them gun,
Of course, yes.
You understand?
I'm telling you, sir. I went to Admiral Town one day when the flare up, when the real flare engine was a full time now, At 24 hours before we go to my yard, 24 hours. 24 hours.
Honestly, I don't say. Honestly, it was police officer like you when I was growing up in a Jonestown concrete jungle. I, as a youth, feel safe. And I can say it publicly and I'm thinking, I have never seen your patrol in the community yet. You understand?
Well, I'm on foot with it all over, because when you give me something, some place to protect, I serve and I protect my people in Anaheim and Rima.
True.
The entire area up the top is mine. Admiral Town Police area, my place. And when I'm in charge, no bad man can be in charge. It's mine, it's my thing.
True. But as when you say them thing, this anti-police rhetoric, it seems like what they want. What these people want. They want every time police go on operation, you have 3 police kill like how them kill Superintendent Clooney, the detective corporal and the constable named Inton over Spanish Town. They want 3 police in, and so they want to believe they are shooting. And they don't understand, them have to experience how it feels to be shot at,
Listen to me. When I tell people that I was shot at more than 60 times, I am not lying.
No man, I'm more than that, man. 60 times. That is just like minimum
60. Because I remember that. Remember one day when we had like 3 shootouts, major shootout, and the man fire like 200, 300 rounds at us, man. Just when I'm on the how. If people understand what I have been through and survived, they would have never ever believed that I am real. Yes, I am real.
Well, thank you for your service, you understand, because I remember when I was growing up and thing, man, I don't have them gonna jungle and thing, and all we are going to do them a bad man, I one police them afraid of them telling them, link, boy, I want them book up on the cars. You understand what I'm saying?
No man, I whole heap of people that test it, man. A whole heap of people run to go foreign because they're nasty.
That's true.
They can't, but that's why, that's how Shatter was written, Shatter was written because of me. There's so many police when and I play my role in Shatter, I don't know if you know that. And when I the part where you see the guys run to go Miami at the end of it, Parliaments and them, that's all it was. When you can't take the pressure of Jamaica from them, you run away.
Yeah man, I won't come on with them thing.
That one man.
Because
the man used to call me from foreign and beg me to come to New York, man.
That's true.
I had not gone to New York, I had a visa from 94 and I never went to New York until year 2000. No, I never go there because that's not my territory. So I really never run into them because they're strong up there, and them have a whole price for them when they can do anything. So this is one man that don't lay them back careless, because I never say never. I'm always having my eyes open. I because them say once a man, twice a civilian, once a police,
Twice a
civilian. There's always a police.
Well, there always a police. I always support the police. Yeah. The only thing, as just like we don't like the thief in police, because them give us the bad name. Yeah, we can't take the thief in police or them thing there.
No, man, because one of the time, I was putting a program together to have like $20 million in an account that when police charge for shooting or anything that within the law, I would send them lawyer fee. I was trying to do that, but somebody framed it and it never worked. I'm just leave it alone. Somebody heard my idea and try to run with it and it never worked. So I'm just leave it.
Well, you know, a few police at Kingston was in the charge, even the case with the what boy from our Tivoli and them thing over them, the police in the charge where you help them and people don't even know that. You understand?
No, man, we're behind the scenes.
Yeah, you understand?
I am a behind the scene person.
I know that, man.
Somebody that is going to do some things to help in every way possible, and the people don't understand the things that I've done. They don't want a life that I have saved since I left the world. They don't want a time people are dead and me them come to my office to say this and that are up, you know. I'm going to take up my phone and make phone call and change certain things.
Well, he's a man, but you know, he's a man well enough, you know, because, you know, it's just like a man called from prison and say, boy, the man will kill you. And as it reach out there and them thing, and the man them name, it's because that the same three man them dead, them kill the same man them.
Yeah, man.
And a criminal, you understand?
A criminal, a whole heap of people see it.
Yes, man.
Whole heap of people see it.
I tell you, man, you're well loved, man.
It's not my house right now. My house right now, and on Sunday, maybe 2 people here, and we cook for like 12 to 15 people get food every Sunday on my pot. People pick up and we send some every Sunday, at least that. Yeah, man, we have to keep on feeding people. Can't shit. And when I was a little boy, my daddy told me, never cook for just who in the household that somebody might just
That's a true, man. True.
Yeah, man. And it ever happened. And then you know what happens if you cook. And you don't cook it up. And my food will go short in there.
That's true, man. That's true, man.
Put extra food, so we just grow up with the same kind of mentality and just do the thing here.
Yes, but you know, and we are going to support the things we are going to take. But I'm going to share this video with the other ex-police them and we have YouTube and them thing because you know without the police, without the Jamaica Constabulary Force, most of us, as you have stated before them thing there, yes boy, if a man was fooled before him joined police force, when him turn police him still a fool same way. You understand?
No, I always think that if there was a thief before them join it.
Yes. So true, yeah. That is so true. I see him think Tom Living did say to me when guy once when he said, boy, young boy, if a man is a thief before my police, when him turn police him become bigger thief because now him have the police power behind him.
Something just born in you know.
Yeah, man. True.
And now just come out stuff. So me just live a nice and simple life. And I help as much as I can. We just love one another, brother. Just like we need to do that. Love each other.
True.
And the world would be better. But some people just believe that them on top of this world and that them alone to survive. It don't work like that. Because every time you start live like that, watch God.
You start using humanity.
Yeah, man, just watch God. Thanks for moving up, man. Just, you know. Alright, we'll talk again on this though because this is early days.
Yes.
And a whole heap of things are planned because some sponsors start coming on board now, so we're gonna have advice over the commercial and we'll send you a new one and thing.
Yes, man.
We can start with this now.
Yes, definitely. And we get the ex-police association up here involved to one thing to make sure so them buy some ticket and for people who want to attend the function but them can't afford it, then buy them ticket for, you understand? So what's the cost?
It's $10,000 for the regular ticket and $15,000 for the VIP. Yeah, it's going to be an experience. And people, the guy was saying showtime, I said no, it's not a showtime. It's an experience. Begins 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock until 11, it will be talked about for many years. And you know me, I don't outdo myself, you know.
Absolutely.
I try to maintain it. That's what will happen.
It's going to go. Remember say you are the man who set the pace when they come out to having show from in the evening to the next day. Remember you start that, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm just at that.
Yes, man, you understand. You're a pioneer behind that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll give you one last thing. I went to St. Martin's birthday Sunday.
Yes.
And I took some tickets with me. 50 tickets and they take them. All gone.
Yes.
All gone, yeah.
Well, it's a pity that we don't have the posters yet and all of that, you know.
No, man, it's coming out, man. You're going to get your flyers over the weekend.
Okay.
All of those things.
Alright then, brother Ling, and take care of yourself, man. And thanks for your service, man. And, you know, yeah, man. Alright, Ling. Cool.
Alright.
Let's have a conversation between Isaiah Ling and yours truly. I want to ask you something, honestly. What do you think? After listening to the experience, after hearing the reality, from someone who has lived it, has your perspective changed? Do you see the importance of what this event represents? Because this is bigger than a discussion. This is about action. This is about standing up for the men and women of the Jamaican Constabulary Force, who stood on the front line for all of us. As you have heard, I have told him that when I was growing up in Concrete Jungle, he was the lead detective at Admiral Town. I have never seen him, patrol, but I have known his work and conduct. People in Concrete Jungle, Jonestown, love him. Criminals fear him. When I say criminals, I'm talking killers. Fear him. Because he was fearless. And fear. So now the question becomes, will you support the upcoming event? Whether it's attending, spreading the word, sharing the video, or simply showing your support in the comments. The reaction counts. Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear from you. And if you're standing with our injured officers, type below. I stand with our heroes. Because support is not just something we say, it's something we do. And here's a man who have left the police force decades and he's still serving the people of Jamaica, especially the members of the Jamaican Constabulary Force. Because as we have heard him say, once a police, twice a civilian. But even though we are civilians, we still think as police officers, because that's the line of work that we cherish. And when we were serving, we served with honor, courage, and commitment. As you have heard the man said too, we don't like thieving police because thieving police are the ones that give the police force bad name. So we have a name brand police as Isaiah Ling, who can speak publicly. Isaiah Ling is an international figure. Isaiah Ling is not an ordinary police officer, and a former police officer. So he doesn't have to hide because he has nothing to hide. He wasn't a thief. So that's the beauty about it when you're a crime fighter. And you can speak publicly. And no guy can point and say you're a thief. You understand? So that's why police officers like Isaiah Ling will lift up to him, because Isaiah Ling, you never hear him. Isaiah Ling give any brother a gunshot, sleep with the wanted man's sister, and help the wanted man for evade arrest or anything like that. That is what you call integrity, character. So no matter how much work you have done in the police force, if you do not have any character, it doesn't count. This is what you talk, the epitome of a crime fighter, Isaiah Ling. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member, At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.